Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing another tornado challenge today. Hold on, let me check if I'm recording. Just real quick. Am I? Yep, I'm recording. So we're recording another tornado challenge video today. Now let's go into survival real quick. Actually, before we do that, you see this house right here? You know, it would be cheating if we came in here. We have to replace this thing with a different material. How about we replace it with wool? Just wool. Well, at least replace the bottom with wool. Like parts of the wall, just parts of it, not at all, so we're just gonna supposedly just turn this into wool. It will look ugly, which is the best part, because it'd be kind of funny. So we're kind of just drawing around it. You don't need a window. You don't need a window, you're gonna get destroyed anyway. Now, I found out this mod, I don't think it can just summon random tornadoes. That's why I installed the weather mod, not tornado mod, weather mod. It has tornadoes, the same items are in the game, except the worm gun, the worm gun, and we'll miss a few things because that's the mod I'm going to be using for my weather challenges. We'll not just have tornado challenges, we'll even have hurricane challenges, and we'll just do some messing around soon if y'all want that to happen. But for now, let's just take a silent moment for our last episode of supposedly the old tornado mod. Amen. So we might revisit this sometimes if we just want some old memories. But for now, let's go into survival and go ahead. So this is the last. This is supposedly the last episode I'm going to be doing of the old tornado mod. So let's just summon a tornado. Let's get this time we have to summon tornadoes, but since the last time, we're gonna make it risky. We're gonna have to summon it while outside. WM spawn tornado 1. Oh my God! It's right there. Get in the house! Get in the house! Get in the house! Bro! No! No! Well, this thing's already kind of coming in. Dude, it's right there. This? Oh my God. Bro. Look at that. Oh. Thumbnail. Oh crap. That was a risky move. Thumbnail. It's for the thumbnail though. It's for the thumbnail. Get in here. Oh my God, my sound. Oh God. I want overpowering my voice. Oh God. This isn't good. Bro. No. Yo, it just missed it. Oh my God. It was bro. What? Okay, don't go outside. See, that's what I did. That was the mistake I did a few challenges ago, where I just stepped outside like an idiot on the F5. And I just got like absolutely just sucked in the F5 tornado. I'm like, oh jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna have this as my thumbnail. This right here. Or have the villagers and the cow just skating away. Oh my God. No. Dude, this is insane. Dude, that's definitely gonna be a thumbnail. If I know how to edit correctly. Why am I still recording? Still recording. See, I sometimes want to just check. Sorry. It's just my thing. I just have to do it just to make sure, like, it's not broken. I do have a wire short, so that's definitely a problem. Now, the thing is, whenever the tornado passes the house, we have to go outside. We're gonna be like the Midwest people today. We're from the Midwest. This is Oklahoma. Well, actually, this is Texas. We're in Texas today. Except there's no water. There's water right here. Oh, there's just a rotating cloud. Dude. Bye, tornado. WM. Spawn. Tornado. 2. Oh. Well, that was a mistake. I meant to put a 2, but I just pressed summon. Dude, no. Looks like we're doing a second round of a tornado type 1. No. You know what? WN spawn tornado 2. We're doing a double tornado. That's a double tornado. What? Oh god. Jeez. Oh god. We are so dead. Are we dead? We dead, right? Are we dead? Oh god! That's a direct hit right there. What? I didn't even... No. How? Bro, we're dying. Tornado. Oh jeez. Wait, immediately dead. Oh god. Yo! No! There's the F2, it didn't even reach! I'm being picked up by an F1, no! The F2! Oh my god, it's coming my direction. Oh my god, this is not good. Bro. Oh my god, I lost a lot of health. Well, I think I'm gonna die. I'm gonna lose to this. I'm challenging myself. This might be the first time I die. Oh god. I was doomed to fall by a deadly tornado. Never saw that one before. Dude, there's a tornado. It looks like there's an F1 inside an F2. That's insane. Look. Oh my god. Now that's picking up blocks. I'll tell you, it's like not really picking it up, it's just shooting it out of the air. Okay, we lost that round. We finally lost to something in Minecraft. If you want me to play different mods, let me know down below. We have plenty of mods. Bro. What? Kind of hit this house. You know what? We're making a risky move. For the F3, you know what house we're going in? We're going in Mr. Woolco. Mr. Cobblestone Wool House. Cobble Wool. The Cobble Wool House. And spawn. Tornado 3. Not 3E. 3. Oh my god, it spawned right there! Oh my god! No! Dude, let me in! Bro! No! No way that just happened. Yo, it just like... It entirely just spawned right there. It spawned right next to me. Well, not right next to me, but like near me. Like very much near me. Or just... Oh god. Oh no. Oh, here goes the house. No. Okay. Since this is like the last time we're doing this version of the mod, you know what we're doing at the end of the video? We're messing around. We're messing around with the mobs. That's just what we do at the end of these videos. Oh god! Yeah, this is why I don't be from, like, the Midwest. Like, I live in Alabama. We get plenty of tornadoes, so... yeah, I'm kind of used to this. Bro, I live in Alabama. This weather happens a lot. Did you see that carrot that slid into one of the holes? Slid. I think that's how to say it. Sorry. Where are the carrots? They just teleported. They just went to an unknown dimension. The Upside Down. I think the Demogorgon ate them. They're eaten by a Demogorgon. It doesn't look like there's any houses left after what happened. This was a bad idea. Bro, no way. No way. Is there any way you can, like, clip the recording? No way. Bro, this is gonna be hard. Well, we're just gonna have to build a house. Straight up, we're just gonna build a house. We're just gonna rebuild these houses out of wool. Just wool. We're gonna build just a few houses, just 2 houses with wool. Not even a strong material, just wool from the sheep. This is all. No doors. No doors. No. Actually, we'll add some doors. Torch. Does this count as cheating? I don't know. We need a house. That's the point of the challenge. Does it get destroyed? Or what? So, I wouldn't count this as cheating. But we could have just taken this house. Bro, no! We'll take this house last, since it'll be the strongest. But this time, listen, watch this. Again. Spawn, tornado. 4! Whoa! What? Holy crap! Oh my god! That's why you don't be from the Midwest! This is why you're not from the Midwest! No! Bro! I don't really know if I count in being the Midwest, but I'm in Alabama. I'm in Tornado Alley, so I swear every 2 weeks, like in real life, I just experience like these tornadic curfews, and it's just like it's crazy. Like these tornado emergencies every 3 weeks or 2 weeks. Bro, no. Oh god. I've never been inside a tornado though. Never seen one. I mean, I know what they look like in real life, but I hadn't seen one like live, like in real life, like seen one in front of my eyes. I will someday, because when I grow up, I'm being a storm chaser. Hopefully this isn't what happens to me though. I might record very rarely, like how I still do. Oh no! The F4! Dude, this thing's strong. Y'all know I used to sound younger than this. Bro. No! Oh god. No. No. Yo, we're about to die. We're actually about to die. Yeah. Dude, hold on. Is it overpowering my voice? I don't know. We can set to that. Set to volume 15. I will la in my dead name. I lived. Whoa, but that horse is going crazy. You can't pick up the door. This is the next challenge. Doing this for an F5 tornado. Here, let me get back to the village. Bro, no, which way did it go? No! Oh my god, there's an invisible tornado. Look at that! Is that the remnants from the F4? It's like creating its own thing. It's a blocknado. There's a blocknado. Earlier I saw a sandnado before I recorded. I was just messing around with the mod. Okay. We're not being Midwest people. We're not being idiots. This time we're actually getting in a house. Let's get in here. I don't care how damaged it is. I really don't. I mean, well, if we just replace it with just this. No. We're gonna replace it with cobwebs. We're replacing the house with cobwebs. A house made out of just straight cobwebs. You would be dead before you even know it. And that 5 tornado can wipe this thing in half, get it? You can wipe cobwebs away easily. Okay, that was horrible. Oh! Bro. Oh my god. This is my house. Cobwebs! Now we'll just... If you want to add more touching to it, why not add a railing carpet? It doesn't really matter what type of railing it is. It's just a floor. The reason why I use cobwebs is because they're not strong. WM. Spawn. Tornado. 5. Okay, where is this thing? It's right there. Oh my god. Get in the corner. We're about to die. You're gonna see this house go down. We're in danger. Oh my god, do you wanna know what's gonna make humans go extinct? A tornado that looks like this. Bro, no. Oh jeez, dude. That's right. Oh my god. It's a grass-nado. It's a mix of sand and grass. It's just a mix of grass and sand. Have you ever seen this before? A grass and sand nado? Because that's what this thing is. Or is that moss? I can't tell. I don't know anymore. Oh my god. Should we back away or what? Oh jeez. Holy god. Yo. The house seems about to be torn to shreds. How long does it take to break a cobweb? In real life. This is how much it takes to break a cobweb. It should be as fast as it'll leave. You know what you can do to a cobweb? You can just go... Whoosh. That's how easy it is. In Minecraft... Don't tell me this thing's indestructible because of cobwebs. Don't even tell me. Don't you dare! No! Why won't it hit the house? Dude, we got lucky this time. Just a floating torch thing. I don't really know what you call it. It's a torch lamp. We'll just call it that. A torch lamp. You dare me to go outside? I'll lose the challenge, but for you guys' entertainment. Bro, what is this? Bro, no. Holy dude! That thing is crazy! Oh my god, I think it turned. Yo, it turned. Get in this house! Get back in. Yo, I think it... Yeah, that thing turned. Get back in your cobweb house. You can just go through you can just go through your house. You want to see what it's like? Apparently, this is what it's like when you're getting kidnapped by SCP-106. This is what it feels like. So he can grab you and take you through the wall to his pocket dimension. You can also go through walls and floors. Without even going to his pocket dimension. SCP-106 is a crazy SCP. I'm just gonna turn my volume back up. Y'all can hear fine, can y'all? Game motor. No. We're gonna mess around with other tools. Gun. A gun! Yeah? Call this a gun? Item. Grab the shockwave item and the drill item. Oh my god. We just spawned a tornado. But you know what? Villager, we're gonna cause chaos to your life. Your entire life. Watch this, villager. He just shoots up. Bye! Watch what? When you just spawn a bunch of tornadoes on top of each other, this is what happens. And just shoots in the air. What? Why? Something about that is just very funny. Watch this. Bye. That's what I'm gonna do when I see somebody. That's what I'm gonna do when I see some evil guy, like some sort of shooter or something. Just be like, this tornado just picks him up. That's where I thought the door was broken in half. There's a glitch where the door can break apart. That villager is in heaven. You can just send them to heaven like this. Look, he's in heaven. Look. Oh, I guess God didn't like him because he's still here. Look, he's in heaven now. You're in heaven, buddy. You're in heaven. These are the tornadoes that God wanted. They just send you to heaven, but then you just fall back down without any pain. Or I guess you do. I guess you weren't sent to heaven, villagers. Oh god. You're all going to heaven, you people. You want to go to heaven? Heaven's the place everyone wants to be at, right? Here you go. This is what it feels like to go to heaven. This is what happens. You get picked up in a tornado and get dragged up there. But that's not actually what happens. You shoot back downwards and die. That's a small village. Die! Yeah, like I said, at the end of the challenge. So, we got 4 out of 5 for a win. 4 out of 5. So we did get picked up in an F1 that we accidentally spawned and we died. That counts. So that was a 4 out of 5 that we won. That's good. We can just shoot fire into... You just use the worm gun and you just shoot things into the tornadoes. No, dude, look. Look at this. Look at this poor innocent villager. Oh. How about we put him on fire? Oh my god, it was a fire tornado! We turned into a fire tornado! Bro. We used the worm gun for its last moments to be a fire tornado. It's raining fire. Look, you just like, bro, it's raining fire. What? It was raining fire literally a second ago. That's so ridiculous. Oh, there's the worm. Shockwave item. This is what we do to our last moments to the villagers on the mod. Die! Die! Yo, how far can we carry him? How far can we carry him? This is turning from a tornado challenge to a carrying the villager challenge using a shockwave item. How far can we toss him? Oh my god! Yo, he just died right there. Let's see, what if we drill him? Drill the floor below that he stands on. Oh, he knows what we're trying to do. You can't get away, buddy! You can't get away! Bye! You can drill bedrock. Good riddance, guy. Good riddance! This is an unwanted trade. Here. Run! Bro. Hold on. Let's drill the house. Bro, oh my god! You got so lucky. My guy. Oh, now you're dead. We drilled this part. Bye! Something about that is just funny. Oh, bye! 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 You go here. No! You made... Okay, okay, that's all for the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more. For now, bye.